Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. We have to start with entering About Phone. Then let's localize OS version for POCO and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general list of the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and find additional settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find developer options. Let's enter it. And here scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, and simply tap on the switcher to turn it on. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted and whenever the update is available. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.